from 3 students of SMK Deshon, Cebu, Sarawak.
On this auspicious day, we would like to introduce our team's product, Ferris toys.
Ferris toys that is available in the market are made of materials that will pollute the environment, such as plastic.
Therefore, we decided to build the product by using recycled material such as Sundays, yellow, paper, and sponge.
Not only that, these referrals can be built by anyone because the manufacturing cost is very low and suitable for gifting to children.
This is a stage of our product.
We use materials like Sunday skewers, decoration, hot glue gun, LED lights, and sponge.